Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here. Today we are doing the May Empties video. A few days late just because I've been busy, so let's go ahead and get started. I finished up a Hello mouthwash. It's my favorite mouthwash and I repurchased it over and over again. It's not too strong, you don't get any weird peeling, it's just a solid mouthwash. And going hand in hand with that, I also finished a Hello toothpaste, also my favorite toothpaste. I get these in like 3-packs on Amazon. It's just really easy to keep them on hand. I finished a Shikai shower gel. This is in yuzu. It is Austin's favorite flavor that we can find, or scent that we can find. He really likes the pomegranate too. I like all of them, so I don't really care. But this is the one we're able to find. Pomegranate seems to have disappeared from the face of the earth, and it's just a really solid shower wash. I was given this sample last time we went to Lush. It's the golden egg shower gel. It was fine, just used it up because we had it. This product I ended up loving. This is the Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 Shine Mask. I'll probably repurchase this depending on where I end up repurchasing from next time I need more hair mask, because I think I still have a few to get through. This is just really solid. I think once I'm done with all my hair masks, I need to look up all my favorites and do a cost comparison and see which one's the most affordable. I'm assuming it'll probably be this one, but I could be wrong. I'll have to see. But I do really, really like this one and I would absolutely use it again. I finished up the Necessaire the body lotion. This is the big one. I cut it open to get everything out of there because there's actually still a lot of product in there after the pump stops really being able to get it all. And this is my favorite body lotion. It's fragrance free. Well, I think there are scents, but I get the fragrance free, and it's just a very solid, well moisturizing plain lotion, and I really like it. I've got a few backups of that already. I used this Pacifica mask. This is the Super Green Detox Sheet Mask. Got a few of these for Christmas, and I've been trying to really parse them out because I don't really want to buy these for myself, but getting them as a gift is really nice. And I keep these in my little cosmetics fridge. It makes them really nice and cool, especially if you've got like a bad headache. It's so nice to do one of these. So yeah, it was fun. I finished another of these William Morris at home Clementine and Clove hand creams that I got one year for Christmas. I think this may have been the last one. I'm not 100% sure on that, but it might have been. And it smelled alright. Kind of smelled potpourri, but it was a perfectly fine hand cream. I don't think I'd seek this out because I don't like the smell, but it did its job. I am getting rid of this Doctor's Remedy Enriched 2-in-1 Glaze. I think this was a top coat. It's just gotten really thick and goopy, and I bought new ones because I actually haven't been doing my own nails for a long time. I've been getting acrylics, but I'm back to painting them myself. The acrylics do not mesh with gardening, and I felt like it was time to give my nails a break anyway. They were getting really beat up, so I replaced my top coat, and I got a new base coat too, but the Dr. Remedy one that I have isn't completely unyucky yet. I think it's maybe got a couple uses in it before I need to give up on it, but this one definitely had to go. I have 2 fragrance samples here from the 7 Virtues, the Coconut Sun fragrance and the Blackberry Lily fragrance. These both smell very lovely. They just don't feel like me. I don't think I'd buy full bottles of these, but they were perfectly fine. Then I have 2 skincare products to talk about. One is an Old Faithful. This is the Resist Paula's Choice Normal to Dry Skin Restoring Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF with Antioxidants. Longest name ever. You can see I've cut this open to get every drop as well. This is my favorite face sunscreen. I'm using up another one right now that a friend had sent me, but I already have backups of this. I cannot live without it. It is the best face sunscreen. And the last item here is from Timeless. This is the Coenzyme Q10 Serum. And I really, really enjoy the Timeless serums. I'm definitely going to be repurchasing. I mainly shop at Timeless for the vitamin C, and I have a ton of other vitamin C products to get through right now, but once I get through all of them, I'll be making another big Timeless purchase. So I won't be repurchasing it right away, but I will be restocking on Timeless serums once the time comes. So that is everything from my May empties this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button, and otherwise I will talk to you all later. Bye!